Are you having trouble pairing or connecting your Tesla Powerwall 3? You're not alone. Many early adopters have experienced initial setup and connectivity issues. Common causes include weak Bluetooth connections, interference from devices or walls, and outdated software or app versions. This video will walk you through common causes and solutions, focusing on QR code scanning, gateway integration, and network problems. These problems are usually with weak Bluetooth connections, interference, or outdated software. These will be fixed in the next steps. The first step in pairing your Powerwall 3 involves a secure Bluetooth low-energy connection and scanning a QR code. Ensure you're within 10 feet of the device and in a Wi-Fi-enabled environment, preferably using 5 GHz for better speed. Make sure you're using the latest Tesla app version for compatibility. The QR code expires after 24 hours, so scan it soon after installation. Common issues include interference from microwaves or thick walls, dirty QR codes, or camera glitches in the app. If the QR code scan fails, start by cleaning the QR code surface to remove any dirt or smudges that might interfere with scanning. Ensure you have adequate lighting, avoiding dim or shadowy areas that could make the code hard to read. If the Tesla app scanner isn't working, download and use a reliable third-party QR code scanner app from your device's app store. These apps often have better camera recognition and can bypass any glitches in the Tesla app's scanning feature. Hold the gateway's power button for 10 seconds to power cycle the Powerwall 3. This clears any temporary connection issues and resets the device's pairing mode, allowing you to attempt the scan again. Check that your Tesla app is fully updated to the latest version. Tesla has released several patches that improve QR code recognition and pairing reliability, so an outdated app could be causing the scan failures. As a final step, try scanning the QR code in direct sunlight. Bright, natural light can significantly improve the camera's ability to read the code clearly and may resolve issues caused by poor indoor lighting conditions. The Tesla Gateway serves as the central communication hub, connecting your Powerwall with solar inverters and the electrical grid. For reliable operation, the gateway needs a stable Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection with at least 10 Mbps upload speed. Verify your IP address assignments and ensure firewall settings allow access to ports 443 and 80 for Tesla's cloud servers. Make sure no VPN connections are active, as they can interfere with the secure tunneling required for gateway communication. Be aware that network segmentation, such as VLANs, can prevent the gateway from pairing with your Powerwall if not set up correctly. To diagnose network issues, start by power cycling all devices, including your router and Powerwall gateway. This involves turning off the devices, unplugging them, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging back in and turning them on. Next, test your network connectivity by pinging Tesla's servers. Open your command prompt or terminal and type ping.tesla.com. If you receive responses, your internet connection is working. No responses indicate a network issue. If you have multiple Powerwalls, verify the mesh network setup. The gateway manages this protocol, so check that all Powerwalls are daisy-chained correctly, connected one after another in sequence for proper communication. If network issues persist, try disabling VLANs on your router. Virtual LANs can segment your network in ways that block the Powerwall's communication with Tesla's servers. Access your router settings and turn off VLAN configurations. Let's examine real-world examples. In a rural area with weak cellular signal, a user fixed pairing issues by upgrading to a Tesla-approved Wi-Fi extender and scanning the QR code in direct sunlight. Another example involves a user with multiple Powerwalls experiencing connection drops. They resolved it by enabling UPnP on their router and resetting the gateway to factory defaults before resyncing through the app. These real-world cases show that most Powerwall 3 pairing and connection issues can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting and community support. Experts emphasize proactive user education and Tesla's commitment to iterative improvements. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that initial issues are being resolved with software updates. Industry analysts report that most Powerwall 3 owners resolve issues independently using online resources. Future trends include AI-enhanced diagnostics and improved battery technology, potentially auto-resolving 90% of pairing problems via predictive algorithms. Keep your Tesla app and Powerwall firmware updated to benefit from the latest fixes. Regular updates ensure you have the most recent bug fixes and improvements. Check Tesla's official troubleshooting page and verified community resources for additional guidance. These sources provide reliable information and user experiences. If issues persist, consider professional consultation. Tesla support and certified technicians can help with complex installations. With patience and the right steps, you can get your Powerwall 3 paired and connected, maximizing your home energy storage benefits.